Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going on a beautiful road trip from Kotdwara to Satpuli in Pauri Gadwal, Uttarakhand. This route is known for its scenic mountain roads, lush green forests, beautiful valleys, and peaceful surroundings. So, come along with me as we explore this wonderful journey through the heart of Gadwal. We started our journey from Kotdwara early in the day. As we left the city behind, the landscape gradually changed from the plains to the beautiful hills of Uttarakhand. The fresh morning air, winding roads, and greenery all around made the drive incredibly refreshing. One of the best things about this route is the drive itself. Every turn offers a new view of the mountains, deep valleys, and dense forests. The roads are surrounded by nature, making the journey peaceful and enjoyable. It's one of those drives where you don't want to stop looking out of the window. During our journey, we also stopped at a beautiful Durga Mata temple located along the route. The temple stood gracefully amidst the hills, surrounded by nature and the peaceful atmosphere. The colorful flags, temple bells, and devotional ambience created a truly spiritual experience. Dedicated to Durga Ma, this temple is visited by many devotees who come here seeking blessings, protection, and strength. We spent some time offering our prayers and enjoying the calm surroundings. The peaceful energy of the temple and the beautiful mountain backdrop made this stop very memorable. After taking the blessings of Ma Durga, we continued our journey towards Satpuli. Along the way, we passed through beautiful Gadwali villages, terraced fields, and stunning mountain landscape that showcase the true beauty of Uttarakhand. And finally, after a wonderful drive, we reached Satpuli. Satpuli is a small and beautiful town in Pauri Gadwal, situated on the banks of the East Naya River, surrounded by green hills. It offers a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere for travelers. The East Naya River, flowing through the town, adds to its natural beauty. The combination of the river, mountains, and fresh air creates a picturesque setting that feels both refreshing and calming. Walking around Satpuli, you can experience the simplicity of the mountain life and the warm hospitality of the local people. What I loved most about Satpuli was its peaceful charm, away from the noise and crowds of city life. This town allows you to slow down and appreciate nature at its best. Whether you are a traveler, nature lover, or simply looking for a peaceful getaway, Satpuli is definitely worth visiting. After exploring Satpuli, we stopped at a local roadside dhaba for some delicious food. And what better way to enjoy a mountain road trip than with hot and freshly prepared aloo paratha? The parathas were crispy, flavorful, and served with curd and pickle. After a long journey, this simple meal tasted absolutely amazing. If you're traveling on this route, I would definitely recommend stopping at a local dhaba and trying the aloo paratha. Trust me, you'll love it. As our journey from Kotdwara to Satpuli comes to an end, we are taking back wonderful memories of scenic roads, beautiful mountains, a peaceful visit to Durga Mata temple, and of course, some delicious aloo parathas. This trip reminded us that sometimes the journey itself is as beautiful as the destination. I hope you enjoyed traveling with me from Kotdwara to Satpuli. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel for more travel vlogs and adventures. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next vlog.